Jack's eating fish for dinner. Would you like another one of these? What's that again?
Yummy.
It's yummy. What's it called?
Pistachio.
No, that's not a pistachio. That's an artichoke.
Artichoke.
Artichoke. Another one.
You want another one? Okay.
Eat a noodle in the meantime.
They're not noodles, Daddy. They're fish, right, Jack?
Yeah, fish.
Fish noodle.
They're called fish noodles.
Yes. See?
Mmm.
Here you go. What's that again?
Fish. Pistachio.
No.
That's artichoke.
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 Good.
There's your dipping
Got it.
sauce.
Got it.
Got it?
Artichoke leaf. You're eating like
Dinosaur.
dinosaur.
Just like a dinosaur.
Just like a Littlefoot.
I want another one.
You want another one. Here you go.
Tell mommy. That cod was awesome.
God, it was awesome. Pistachio.
No.
Artichoke.
Artichoke. Good.
Is it good?
Oh, yeah.
Say delicious.
Delicious.
There you go.
Pistachio.
What is it again?
Pistachio.
No. Artichoke.
Artichoke. Good.
Ooh, Daddy's has beans. You want some Daddy's beans?
No, thank you.